Opening scene. Captivating visuals of renewable energy sources and eco-friendly technologies. Welcome to the Future Files, where we uncover the latest advancements in green technologies and their role in building a sustainable future. In this episode, we explore the innovative solutions that are shaping our world and tackling the challenges of climate change. Join me as we dive into the realm of emerging green technologies. Images showcasing renewable energy sources. As our planet faces the urgent need for sustainable solutions, researchers, entrepreneurs, and scientists are working tirelessly to develop technologies that can revolutionize our energy systems, transportation, and waste management. Segment 1. Renewable energy. Renewable energy sources have emerged as a key pillar of a sustainable future. Let's explore some of the most exciting advancements in this field. Visuals of solar panels, wind turbines, and hydroelectric power. Solar energy, wind power, and hydroelectricity are just a few examples of clean, renewable energy sources that are rapidly gaining prominence. We'll delve into the latest breakthroughs in these technologies and their potential to transform our energy landscape. Segment 2. Energy storage and grid solutions. One of the challenges with renewable energy is its intermittent nature. However, innovative energy storage and grid solutions are emerging to address this issue. Visuals of energy storage systems and smart grids. From advanced battery technologies to smart grids that enable efficient energy distribution and demand management, these solutions ensure a reliable and stable energy supply while maximizing the utilization of renewable sources. Segment 3. Sustainable transportation. The transportation sector accounts for a significant portion of greenhouse gas emissions. Let's explore the exciting developments in sustainable transportation. Visuals of electric vehicles, hydrogen fuel cells, and public transit systems. Electric vehicles, hydrogen fuel cells, and enhanced public transit systems are revolutionizing the way we move. We'll examine the potential of these technologies to reduce emissions, improve air quality, and create more efficient and sustainable transportation networks. Segment 4. Circular economy and waste management. To build a sustainable future, we must rethink our approach to waste management and embrace the concept of a circular economy. Visuals of recycling facilities and sustainable packaging. From innovative recycling technologies to sustainable packaging and product design, we'll explore how a circular economy can minimize waste generation, conserve resources, and create economic opportunities. Segment 5. Collaborative solutions. Building a sustainable future requires collaboration and collective action. Let's explore the power of partnerships and global initiatives in driving sustainable innovation. Visuals of international conferences and sustainability projects. We'll examine global initiatives, such as the Paris Agreement, that aim to address climate change and foster international cooperation. We'll also highlight successful sustainability projects from around the world that demonstrate the power of collective action. And that concludes our exploration of emerging green technologies and their role in building a sustainable future. These innovations hold the promise of transforming our world and mitigating the impacts of climate change. Join us next time on the Future Files as we continue to unravel the mysteries of tomorrow, exploring the cutting-edge technologies and visionary ideas that will shape a more sustainable and prosperous world.